Okay, I want to show y'all the culmination of 4 months worth of work up here in the mother-in-law suite. This is the walls finished in the kitchen area, the ceilings finished, the refrigerator alcove painted, and yes, these walls are bright lemon yellow because I like yellow and I like how bright this paint was. And so literally the walls are finished, the ceiling's finished. Here's the hallway. We spent all 6 hours Friday and 10 hours Saturday getting this all done. Jim said he wanted a deep blue for the bedroom. So I probably should have filmed this in the daylight when the light coming through, but you get a little bit of an idea. And we got the master bedroom closet painted. We used gloss because it was going to reflect the light better. And then we've got this little linen closet right here. We're going to be putting some shelves into. You can't, sort of hard to see. And then our mother-in-law bathroom is finished, and we've got that finished in high gloss white also. And that's just because the light reflects better against the gloss white. We may come back later and put a different color in, but for right now, we're happy with it. And so, yeah, look at that yellow wall against the blue wall. Isn't that crazy? But we're pretty excited. The walls are done. The big storage closet off the living room, it almost glows when the light comes in because it's got gloss white paint too. But the walls are done. I'm so excited. This is 4 months of work to get to this point with us being weekend warriors. We are definitely worn out, but the end product was well worth it.